Hi friends, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing a super sweet kawaii girl with an umbrella, perfect for a rainy day vibe with lots of cuteness. This step-by-step tutorial is great for all ages, so grab your favorite drawing tools and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our fun and easy art videos. And here's a question for the comments. What's your favorite weather to draw? Rainy, sunny, snowy, or stormy? Tell us below and maybe we'll turn your answer into our next drawing. Let's get drawing! Wonderful job, artists! Your kawaii girl with an umbrella looks absolutely adorable. Thanks for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other cute and easy drawing tutorials. There's always something new and creative waiting for you here. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.